Alright, so if you're just learning the guitar and maybe you just know the names of the strings and what the frets are, here are some really easy chords to just gain a little bit of confidence. So we'll start with the easy G, and that is going to take your ring finger on the first string, 3rd fret, and let's strum 4 strings down. Okay, that's the easy G. Now we'll have the easy C, where we have our first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. You could actually just play that one like that, but you would only want to strum the bottom 3 strings. Or, you want a little bit more of a challenge, you place your 2nd finger up on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and strum from the 4th string as well. And then we have the E minor, bottom 3 strings, high strings, G, B, E strings, open, no fingers. So that's an E minor chord. If you want to use the 4 strings, you place your 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, strum from 4 strings down. So you have easy G, easy C with 3 strings, easy C with 4 strings, E minor with 3 strings, open, and E minor with 4 strings.